How to activate Bank of America credit card on app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be talking about activating the Bank of America credit card on the application. So if you want to activate the credit card, the first step is to locate the menu icon, which you can find on the right over here. And once you've clicked on that, you will be redirected to the next page. At this point, you will need to scroll down a bit until you come across the option labeled as Manage Debit and Credit. Go ahead and click on the specific option, and this will take us to a new page where we can carry out the activation process for our Bank of America credit card. So if you happen to have missed the opportunity to activate it on this particular page, don't worry. Now that we're looking at this page, we can actually see what we need to do to activate our card. So it's worth mentioning that activating your credit card is quite simple. It's just a few extra steps involved, so don't feel overwhelmed, and it's really user-friendly. And if there are any lingering questions you may have regarding your Bank of America account or the activation process, please don't hesitate to drop your inquiries in the comment section below. And I really appreciate everyone's attention to this process. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next videos.